A preliminary magnitude 4.6 earthquake struck 4.3 miles west-southwest of Ferndale at 4:18 p.m., according to the USGS. The trembler struck at a depth of 9.6 miles, the initial report states. The quake is one of largest to hit our actively seismic area since the 6.4 December 20th quake, and 5.4 New Year's Day aftershock. Today's M4.6 is an aftershock of the December 20th M6.4 Ferndale earthquake. It is the third largest aftershock recorded to date. It is not unusual for aftershocks to continue for months and to die down and then pick up again, a post on the Redwood Coast Tsunami Workgroup's Facebook page states.